Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Munn here with the song called Vino. I'm not sure what this Vino refers to really. Perhaps could it be wine or so? Take some Vino for the pain. I'm not sure. If you know what that's about, then leave me a comment here. And yeah, tell me what Vino is all about. Anyway, this is a great song. So let's take a look and learn it together. We're gonna do that with the capo set on the 3rd fret. So with that, we have 3 easy chords. So that's the best scenario for us. So capo on 3rd, put that on, and let's go over the F major, the A minor, and the G. In that order through the entire song. So F major first. F major 7 goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A minor. Easy to go from F major to F minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Alright, so F major, A minor, G, from the beginning till the end, and we're gonna learn to play them as well. So if you grab the first chord, F major, 1 string around will be down, down, up. That's it. So 1 down, short pause, and then down, up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna play F major 4 string rounds, then A minor 2 and G2. Round and round and round, and it goes like this. Alright, and sometimes it's not as prominent for all of these downs and ups to be there, so sometimes you can skip it or just touch the strings and so, and that will give you this vibrant living kind of way of playing. So it will sound something like this. And so on. So you listen carefully. It changes a little bit. Sometimes it's a kind of down up, and sometimes it's just down up. So it's up to you to blow some life in this kind of strumming. This is very typical, that style of playing the strumming here. So down up is kind of a reference, and then you can go outside this and come back in again and just kind of flow around like this. So yeah. That's about that. Munn, Vino. Hope this helped, guys. And if it did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Leave me a like, comment, or whatever. And till next time, play tuned.